let me understand. You're seeing a guy, but not really dating.
Right.
In a yoga class.
Basically.
He's like the instructor?
Right.
And he's making demands.
He's always been controlling. Usually I'm okay with it.
But there's no sex.
God, no.
And you're into him because...
Because of the yoga. I like the yoga.
So find another class.
There is no other class, Reese. This is it. And I'm good.
He won't say it, but I'm the best damn student he ever had. So if he's gonna start making decisions based on emotions, of which he has zero, then I think we've got a problem.
And they say the gay scene is complicated.
I thought we were partners.
We are, but we're not equals. Not even close.
You sanctimonious, self-righteous...
You're not in it like I am, Barb.
This isn't about me. It's about us. It's about you getting protective and sitting in judgment. I won't have it!
Then get out.
How dare you! I'm in this because of you! I did what you wanted! I made it work!
Barbara Kathleen Gordon. What the hell have you done?
So, you and yoga guy?
Yeah. A few nights ago.
Girl, you've been holding out. How was it? Not so good?
No. It was fantastic. Like fireworks.
Yeah?
Except he's been avoiding me. At least I think he is. We haven't talked.
I've been to that dance.
Maybe it was too soon. Even after all this time.
Talk to him, Babs. Some guys need a period of adjustment. They get nervous about commitment. He's only human, right?